Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Imelda Octaviani. You can call me Imelda. Today, I'm here to share some thoughts of 13 forum, and I'll be answering 6 questions and explain why I choose those answer. Let's check it out. Okay, the first question is, Daniela always titik-titik to remind her boss to attend the evening gathering. Daniela selalu titik-titik untuk mengingatkan bosnya menghadiri pertemuan malam. Any for optional, forgets is forgetting, has forgotten, has been forgetting. So I think this type of question is simple present tense as a module 13. So I choose this answer is alpha or forgets because in the simple present tense, any frequency of present time, like always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. So in this question, Daniela always titik-titik. Always frequency of present time in simple present. Then Daniela for me is subject singular, and then forget is verb 1. And in simple present tense, we must do S for verb 1, which is a forgets. So according to module 13, the simple present tense is use the state everyday or regular activities. Since Daniela is a singular subject, the verb takes the S form forgets. Okay, the next question is number 2. My boss titik-titik to Australia next month to open a new restaurant. Bos saya titik-titik pergi ke Australia bulan depan untuk buka restoran baru. Any for optional A, B, C, D, dimana sama-sama travel is traveling, has been traveling. But in this type of the question, I think is present continuous tense. So I choose this answer is B, traveling, because any next month is plain time, and then need a rumus dari present continuous adalah subject singular plus is plus verb ing. Subject singular is my boss, and then is dari 4 opsional hanya satu pilihan yang menunjukkan kata kunci is, yaitu optional B, is traveling. And then rumusnya verb plus ing. As a 13 module states, the present continuous tense is used for something that is definitely scheduled or already planned, and then the action of traveling to Australia to open a new restaurant indicate a fixed future arrangement. So the complete is my boss is traveling to Australia next month to open a new restaurant. Next question is number 3. The Mackenzies titik their houses in a hurry when the court judged them guilty of corruption. Any for optional, which is A, B, C, D, sold, were selling, or selling has sold. I think this type of question is simple past tense because this sentence describes two actions that happened and were complete in the past. The past when the court judged them guilty indicate a specific past event. The Mackenzies' action of selling their house was a complete response to the past judgment. And then in the simple past, we just need subject plus verb 2, which is verb 2 in the sold is sold. Verb 1 is sell in optional B, and then optional D is verb 5, and then optional D has sold is not simple past tense. So I choose this answer is Alpha or sold. The Mackenzies sold their houses in a hurry when the court judged them guilty of corruption. Next question is number 4. The old tenants take the property in March because their son asked them to move in with him. I think the type of question is simple past tense because the old tenant show the simple past, and then vacated is verb 2 and tenant as a subject. Number 4. We deficit for the last couple of months. Now we can only wait for the stakeholders' decision. Any for optional, and then I think the typical of question number 5 is present perfect tense. So I choose this answer is delta, haven't reported. Why? Because the second part of sentence. The first is now we can only wait the stakeholders' decision. So that the situation not reporting that deficit, it's still relevant and has a ongoing impact now. Jadi menjelaskan sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau dan berdampak di masa sekarang untuk present perfect tense dari contoh soal yang nomor 5 ini. Kemudian alasan kedua, the present perfect tense mempunyai rumus subject plural plus have plus verb 3. Jika if I choose answer alpha didn't report, I think no, because didn't report is simple past. And then if I choose B, weren't reporting is a past continuous. And if I choose delta hasn't reported, it is a subject singular because has, no haven't. We need a subject plural because in the question is we. So we haven't reported. We haven't reported deficit for the last couple of months. Now we can only wait for the stakeholders' decision. Number 1 is number 6. Since June, check from the accounting to the office because his car was stolen. Any for optional A, B, C, and D, but I choose this answer is delta or has been walking because the type of question is present perfect continuous tense. Why I choose D or has been walking? Because the past since June indicates an action that began in the past June and has been continued of the present. This fits the general function of the present perfect continuous tense, which is describe an action that start in the past and still ongoing of emphasize its duration. Then the reason his car was stolen explain the continuous nature of his walking. So complete answer is since June, Jack from the accounting has been walking to the office because his car was stolen. Thank you.